everyone, I'm Dr. Laura Bellis, naturopathic doctor, and here are the three reasons why you should consider doing a detox now that no one talks about. The benefit of doing a liver detox, like my 21-day detox, but even going a step further and adding some liver support supplements is key. The reason why it's so key is because it's working on so many internal parts of our body that's connected to the way our immune cells function, the way our hormones are recycled, the way our gut and our mood operates on a daily basis. But the three things that most people don't think about when it comes to benefiting from a detox are as follows. Let's see if you can guess, because number three might surprise you. Number one is fertility prep. Ideally, 3 to 6 months before you're trying to conceive, this is the optimal time to do a liver detox. Why? We actually store a lot of toxins in our bodies, and they're safely stored away in fat cells for a lot of it. And the problem is it doesn't really easily free up. So we need to detoxify our body safely, doing something like my 21-day whole body detox and some additional support through supplements to help give your body what it needs to safely eliminate those toxins before becoming pregnant. Plus, this is important for both partners. The sperm and the egg quality really do start to develop months before you try and conceive. That's why that 3 to 6 month window of doing a detox before you want to get pregnant is so vitally important. The second thing that you might benefit from doing a detox that you didn't hear about before is coming off the pill. If you recently came off the pill, hopefully your skin is still clear, but if not, or if you know you got symptoms before when you tried to come off, like acne, hair loss, facial hair growth, oily skin or scalp, sometimes period problems as well. These are really important signs that that pill might not have been able to ideally metabolize and break down all of those hormones. And now that you're off, you've got a bit of a buildup now that those hormone levels are spiking through the roof. So doing a liver detox coming off the pill is important. And actually, someone should have told me that before when I had my adult acne when I was 20. But the third thing, and the most surprising that a lot of my patients don't make the connection between, is liver detox and allergies. Fall is here, and the symptoms of fall allergies have actually been kind of happening earlier as well with the changes in climate. And this has been a problem for so many people. Even people that didn't have allergies or very mild are noticing more symptoms. Well, your liver is actually responsible for making some of those cells that are responsible for the allergic symptoms, histamine symptoms, itchy, watery eyes. We've got the hives sometimes for some people as well. We just feel uncomfortable and congested. And supporting your liver by detoxifying it, giving it a little bit more of a fresh start, can actually help your liver function better and help manage those allergy symptoms, or at least minimize them, in addition to whatever else you do to help control them. So there you have it. Those 3 reasons why you might want to consider doing a liver detox that nobody talks about. These are important things that I talk to my patients about every day. If you want to grab my 21-day whole body detox, I'm on week 3 now, and I'm so excited to be wrapping up soon because I've been feeling amazing this whole time. If you want to join me, if you want to take your detox to the next level, or just don't know where to start, you got to get my guide. It has everything in there, recipes, supplement suggestions, and it is a hand-holding process from start to finish. Grab it from the link in my bio. And if you've done a detox for any of these reasons or others, I'd love to know about them, so put them in the comments below.